how to fix couldn't load high resolution image on Messenger. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix couldn't load high resolution image on Messenger. Alright, so let's begin. First, clear the Messenger app cache. So go to settings, scroll down and go to apps. Here, search for Messenger and tap on it. Here, go to storage and clear the cache. Also clear the data to make it more efficient. After that, go back and tap on permissions option at the top. In permission, grant all the permission to app like contacts, nearby and etc. Make sure grant all permission. If clearing the cache doesn't work, ensure your app is updated. Open your Play Store, search for Messenger, and check if an update is available. Updates often fix bugs that may cause loading issues. Another important step is checking your device's storage. If your phone is running low on space, it might struggle to process high-resolution files. Delete unnecessary files or apps to free up space. Also ensure your internet connection is stable. High-resolution images require a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try restarting your router or switching to a different network. For mobile data, check if you have sufficient data available. Lastly, try logging out and back into Messenger. If the issue persists, uninstall and reinstall the app. As a final option, you can contact Facebook's support team through the help center within the app. So that's basically how you can fix couldn't load high resolution image on Messenger. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.